Is right now the perfect time to buy Tonix Pharmaceutical Holdings? That is the question we're going to be answering in this video. And to answer this question, we're going to be using this Fibonacci retracement tool. So looking at the price, we can see that recently the price went from around this low up to this high before we started seeing some retracement. So if we draw the tool from this low up to this high, we get something that looks like this. And the way this works is in the stock market, when prices start retracing, they tend to come down to this dark green area known as the golden zone, find some support around here and bounce back up. Price also tends to respect these Fibonacci levels, and we can see that Tonix Pharmaceuticals has been finding some strong support at this Fibonacci level recently. So based on this, what are some good levels to get into this stock at or potentially average down at? The first level you might want to consider is around here. This is $12.70. It's a key Fibonacci level and price is finding strong support around here. If the support level breaks, then the next level where we are likely to find strong support is going to be around here. This is $11.33. And if the price continues retracing beyond this point, the next level to keep an eye on is around here. This is $9.33. Investors using this Fibonacci tool like to get in at the higher Fibonacci levels and dollar cost average down at the lower levels if the price continues retracing. So that could be an entry strategy you might want to consider. So that's the entry side of things. However, getting a good entry is only the first step. It's equally important to have a good exit strategy in place. And we can get an exit strategy using this Fibonacci extension tool. But before we dive into that, you might be wondering whether I'm currently holding Tonix Pharmaceuticals or planning to invest in it. And the answer is the large majority of my portfolio is built around a strategy that tracks trades made by US politicians. This is because investing alongside key politicians is the most profitable strategy I have found in the stock market. Over the years, it has delivered returns that blow every other strategy completely out of the water, so I mostly only invest when key politicians are involved. If you're curious about how I do this and how you can too, I put together a free video explaining everything. The link to it is in the description below, so feel free to check that out if you're interested. Coming back to the Fibonacci extension tool, if we do something similar to before, going from these lows up to this high, and this time if we pull it down to where this retracement has ended, we get something that looks like this. And the way this works is price tends to find resistance around these Fibonacci levels, and these are the levels where investors using this tool like to lock in some of their profits, which puts them in a good position to buy back at a discount if the price retraces. So based on this, what are some areas where we might see some strong resistance and where you might want to consider locking in some profits? The first level is going to be around here. This is $21.36. The level above this is around here. This is $23.87. The next level is $31.15. And finally, this level is $42.97. So taking some profits as the price climbs up to these levels could be an exit strategy you might want to consider. I will be making update videos as the price gets to these key levels. So if you'd like to stay up to date, consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you would like to see the analysis of a specific stock, then feel free to leave those in the comment section below and I'll make a video around those. And if you found this video helpful, consider dropping a like on the video as that helps out the channel a lot. It's also worth mentioning, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Please make sure you do your own research and your own analysis before making any investment decisions. That brings us to the end of the video. If you'd like to learn how to profit like a politician, the link to the free video explaining everything is in the description below. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.